Owning a home isn't easy. There are always jobs to do around the house, and those items can sometimes come with a heavy cost. And some of my sellers ask me, what is the typical cost of replacing something? Or what is a contractor charging for a particular project? Those are difficult answers to provide without digging a little deeper, and so I researched and wrote a blog post that helps address this topic for area homeowners. The story is entitled Potential Costs Tied to Selling a Seattle-King County House in 2022. As the headline suggests, the blog post examines both the price for renovations as well as what typical closing costs might run a seller, and those figures will allow owners to plan ahead. You can find this story at willspringerrealtor.com/blog and look for the article published August 30th. And then contact me with your questions.